What is going on, guys? It's Daily here, and in this video I'll be showing you my bias on GBPJPY. So this is on a daily time frame, and if we check the market movement, we can see that it has been trending upward nicely. It's a nice trend to the upside on daily time frame. So you can see we have a low, a higher high, which is higher than this previous one. So we have another low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, and we are trying to create a high. This might probably be high, then we have another low, then we have another high. This daily supply level here is actually the main target for the price. It's actually the main target that the market is trying to go to, right? So we will go down to a lower time frame to actually see any opportunity we can spot to go long, right? So in this market, we are not trying to do any other thing at this moment. We are just trying to long because it's a long term goal for us. It's not just, finding a quick buck or something like that. No, even if we want to scalp or anything at this moment, we are looking to take buys, right? Any sales that happen here, I'll just be waiting till it gets to a point where I can actually follow up the market and buy. So currently I'm waiting for the market to pull back to this demand zone here, which is on is on 15 minutes, right? So I would show you guys the zone later, but I just want to point out something here. I don't know why this system is slow. No, it's a little bit slow. Okay, so as you guys can see here, when we actually break this zone, right? We break this zone to the upside. This level here, we break it to the upside. This previous highs here, we break it to the upside. You can see that at a point, the market comes back to that level, comes back. If you watch my EU explanation yesterday, EU analysis yesterday, which will be anywhere around the screen here, you can click on it to watch it. You will see that I mentioned something like this, that whenever the market actually breaks a certain level, at some point in time, the market will come back to that level, right, to actually continue the movement. If it does not come back on the higher time frame, what you can do is go down on lower time frame to look for areas where the market might actually reverse to, then you follow the movement to the upside, right? Given that you already have your bias on higher time frame. Let's say on higher time frame, the bias that you're able to come up with is that the market is buying. All you have to do is wait for the market to pull back. You don't just want to join the buys or any sell or any bias at the middle of the trend. You want to wait. You allow the market to actually come back to you. Like, look at this. If you had put your entry maybe somewhere around here, right, to say you want to buy from here, right, you just make, maybe like 70 pips or something, or it might even stop you out if you didn't make the entry maybe somewhere around here, right? It might stop you out because it actually came down all the way with to the demand level with over 103 pips being printed to the downside, right? But if you had waited for it and actually enter off this level, you can see, right? You can see just like 7 pips different. Then you follow the market through, even if your target is the previous high where the market was coming from. That's over 170 pips, right? You can easily take your profit here, which is huge. With one standard lot, you know how much you're going to make, right? So currently, what am I looking at? Let me go to the 15-minute because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. It's just a short video to show you my bias on GBPJPY on 8th of June 2023, right? So on this 15-minute time frame, we can see that this level here, the same thing that happens on the 4 hours, right, is repeating itself on a lower time frame. That's how the market does. The market just brings the same pattern over a different time frame over a long period of time. It's just the same repetition of patterns. If you know how to read the patterns, you see when it's about to happen. This is what is about to happen here again. The market goes up, pulls down back to this level, right? I could have entered off this level, but it was during Asia session. Asia sessions means the middle of the night, so I don't trade at that time, obviously. So I'm waiting for the market to actually pull back right into this level again. Then with confirmation, I'm going to take the long trade. I will long the trade right till, let me say, I want my SL to be as small as possible. So I can have like 20 pip SL right there, right? And I'll extend my take profit to somewhere around, actually the main target for the price is actually what I show you on the daily time frame. It's here, right? If I would like to swing it is over 429 pips. So if I want to swing it to this point, well, I can. I might hold some positions after taking profit around, maybe somewhere around here, which will be like, let me check, which will be around 197 to like 200 pips. I might take some profits around here. Then I set my break even. Then I'll be waiting for the market to actually pull up right into the daily order block we have up here. So this is my bias on GBPJPY. In the next couple of days, couple of weeks, I don't know how long it will take to get there, but what I know is the market is actually going to this zone at some point in time. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to the channel. As I told you, I'll be dropping content back to back. This is just basic analysis, right? But I'll still be dropping some nice content to actually guide you through the market if you're just starting out, right? But if you you know a little bit about the market, you know what I'm talking about. You can take advantage of this move right now, right? You can take advantage of this move as soon as possible. If the markets is still anywhere within this level, right, you can scale in your buys and long the market up to 178.1, maybe 178.203 or something like that. But within that range, you can long the market, which is a possible move of about 400 pips, which is huge. 400 pips, right? You know what you can do with 400 pips? You can pass your challenge. You can make a lot of profit, a whole lot with it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.